a jet ski is a jet ski and a jet ski is a toy. There's very, very few applications of a personal watercraft that is not blatantly a toy. Let's just be real honest here. Okay, let's not fool ourselves. It's a toy. It's meant for fun. It's an escape. It's escapism. It's meant to be fun. It's meant to be entertainment. All right. And that's why I go back to, like I started with, my critique of the Explorer Pro and my critique of overcomplicated infotainment systems on watercraft. Because if the entire purpose of these stinking things is meant to just get out of the house, get out into the open air, get out into nature, and just breathe, and maybe realign your world a little bit, maybe find a little bit of peace and solace in this insanity that we call life, why would you want to be on your phone? Why would you want to be listening to the same music that you listen to all the time? Why would you want to have the experience of being out in nature be muted and insulated? Big windscreen and, heated this and this and this and this. And yeah, you're going to get chilly. Yeah, you're going to get wet. Yeah, you're going to have windblown hair. Yeah, you're probably going to have wind burn on your face, or you might get sunburned, or you might get a funny tan line. Who cares? Go outside, feel some grass, get a little wet, be in nature, be a human. What the crap, people? I don't understand it. I don't understand. I just don't. Because here's the funny thing, is that maybe it's because I've dedicated too much of my life to these stupid things. Maybe it's the fact that half of my life has been dedicated to jet skis, that I sit there and I go, I'm not fooled as to what these are. These are toys. These are expensive toys. They're meant to be fun. And if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. And so when I see that people are absolutely insulating and muting the experience, I go, well, then why are you out? Why don't you go drive your minivan around? That's more comfortable. Go find a road you've never been down. Drive that. Listen to your satellite radio and turn your seat warmer on and roll your windows up so you don't hear any wind noise, and just drive your freaking Toyota minivan around. What's the difference? They're on water? Who cares? You don't want to be wet. Who cares? What difference does it make? Does that make sense? Am I the only one who's thinking this? Seriously. Why are you doing this? Why are you out? Go sit in your car. Go get in your car. Well, I want to be out on the lake. Why? Well, I don't want to get wet. I don't want to feel the wind on my face. I don't want to be chilly. Okay. Get in your car. Go sit in your car. I don't get it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.